Hi everyone, Zena here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Beauteque Monthly, which came in the mail today. So I thought I would quickly do a video just before dinner time, and also because I'm dying to open it. This is for the month of June, and for those who don't know, Beauteque is a monthly subscription service which is full of Korean beauty products. Predominantly skincare, but every now and again some makeup products as well. Anyway, I will link all the details about the Beauteque box in the link below for those of you who don't know. Yeah, this is I think the third or fourth box that I've received so far, and I've absolutely been loving it. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm dying to see what's in it. This is what it looks like inside. This month's theme, let me just pop that down, is Deep Detox. So as always, the little leaflet shows all the things that are inside, and I do recommend keeping this because oftentimes the ingredients or even just the directions on the containers or the packaging are in Korean, so they're hard to, well, they're impossible to understand if you don't speak Korean. So yeah, definitely keep hold of the leaflet if you want to know what the directions are for these products. As always, as I go through the products, I'll put a list of the value of the products compared to the cost of the box, just so you can see, you know, what sort of value we're looking at. Quick squeeze into the box, that's what it looks like. So it's nice and full as usual, and it's always full of full-size products, which is awesome. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing is a cognac sponge. 100% mineral production, suitable for the whole family. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to share mine. So that's what it looks like. Recommended retail price is $5.99. Why we love it: cognac sponge is made from all natural cognac root, making them biodegradable. How to use: let the sponge soak in water for about 60 seconds or until soft. Apply cleansing foam. Apply cleansing foam to sponge and gently massage into skin. Rinse skin and sponge thoroughly after use. Yeah, definitely excited to try this. I hope once I do put water into it, or that it does puff up a bit, because it is very small. We'll see. That's the first thing. Next thing, oh cool, some nose pore strips. You can never have enough of those. So, Purederm, that's what this is. Charcoal design nose pore strips. I won't go into how it's used. Everyone knows what pore strips do. Put them on the nose and they pull out blackheads. Yeah, like I said, I could never have enough of these. I find these really handy, and more often than not, they work really well. What did I say that these were? I don't think I did. $5.99 is the recommended retail price for those. Next thing. Oh, this is a nice big box. So this is the Charcoal Pure Cleansing Foam. Recommended retail price $11.99. So it's a foam cleanser. Ooh, grape and rice extracts. Great for moisturizing and toning the skin. Alright, I have to do the all-important smell test, but first let's check out the packaging inside. Oh, it's a very nice size package. That's what it looks like. Oh, and the instructions are in English, which is awesome. So I can see it's kind of a grey colour, almost looks like clay. Okay, there we go. It smells fresh. I can't smell it very clearly, but definitely smells fresh. It almost smells perfumey, but kind of like really light and tingly and fresh perfume, not sort of heavy, super pungent perfume. So yeah, it does smell very nice. Anyway, I am all for cleansing foams and cleansers, or anything to do with removing makeup and just cleaning the skin generally, so super happy about that. Moving on, the next thing, oh, this one you can see is the most expensive out of the lot. So this is Urban Doll Kiss Carbonated Charcoal Clay Mask. How to use: apply a layer of mask that cleans skin. Mask will begin bubbling up. That's a bit scary. After 10 to 15 minutes, gently massage bubbles into skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. Yikes. I do like the packaging. It's very cute. It's very light. I'm surprised at how light the package is, considering It's not the smallest container on the planet. Oh wow, the smell is sensational. That's what the product looks like in there. Definitely very clayey, and I still can't believe how light it is, considering it's, yeah, there's quite a lot of product there. It smells very, very fresh, tingly, almost fruity. Very, very nice smell, and cannot wait to use this product. So that's that one there. 2 products to go. Next thing, this is cool. Looks like it's an eyebrow pencil. Oh, I hope it's my shade. Oh god, it's very thick. Oh, greyish brown. Okay, that's really good. That's a good colour. That's what the tip looks like. It's definitely a very nice size. The pencil feels like good quality, and the all-important spoolie on the back. Royal Luminant Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Auto, does it do it for you? Filling brows with a pencil, yeah, blah blah blah. It's a brow pencil. Recommended retail price $8.99. So yeah, definitely will be giving that one a whirl. I think it'd be very well close to my colour. And finally, for $4.99, this little sucker over here, Cosmetics 3-Step Surface Moisture Mask Pack. So this is a peeling gel and ampoule plus mask pack. I hate pronouncing things and pronouncing them wrong. I sound like an idiot. Great for on the go or at home exfoliation. On the go, sure, I'll just do it in the car on the way to the shops. How to use: apply peeling gel to fingers and massage gently all over the face. Gel will form little balls that exfoliate away dead skin and excess sebum. Yes, we definitely want to do this on the go. Apply the ampoule and pat into skin. Apply sheet mask and remove after 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, definitely not something that I'm going to be doing on the go, that's for sure, but definitely something I will do on the weekend. Anyway, that is it, folks, for the June's box. Very happy with everything that's inside. The tally will be right here in what everything adds up to versus how much I paid for the box. But yeah, it looks like it's definitely a good one. Super excited to try all the products, and super excited to be bringing you July's box in a month's time. Until then, or actually hopefully beforehand, have a good week everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.